Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your exam bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in exam bank login. And as the search result you can see in the first option the link to the website of exam bank, or you can type in allwater.exambank.com. It will take you to the official website of exam bank, and over here in this interface you can see the account admin at the top right corner. Click on it and scroll down a bit. You can see the portal over here. Now enter the username of your account. Now enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on enter. You will be logged into your exam bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you guys can reset it by clicking here forgot your password. Now, and if you want to create a new account on exam bank, click here on sign up. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your exam bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.